Hello everybody, how are you? This is Esther Molina and this is the Sticky Kids set of washi tape and stickers for October. It's already open here because I tried to record the video with my cell phone, but my cell phone is completely broken, so I'm using a small camera that I have, but I didn't show the contents yet. So let's see what's inside this October set. Oh my god. Okay, let's start with the washi tape. Okay, let's open this little by little. I love these envelopes. I think they are really cute. I think I saw something. Okay, yes, this is BG masking tape. I love this brand. They make lots of designs with nature and the seasons. Is really cute. This one has foxes playing on the woods. It's really cute. I love this one. We can make really cute things with this. Okay. Okay. Oh, I think I never saw this washi tape. What is this? Oh, onigiri? Oh yes, this is Japanese food for autumn. It's like a picnic food. This is like a bento box. So it's a box we take on picnics or also to the office, to the school. This is so cute. It has chestnuts and it's everything about, autumn food. I don't know if... Oh, this is kuri gohan. This is like a chestnut rice. It's a recipe very typical for autumn here in Japan. I don't know if Taiwan and China and other countries they eat it too. I don't know, but this is delicious. Oh my god, this is so adorable, so cute. I don't know this brand of washi tape. First time I see. This is very nice. Okay, let's continue. Look at this. Oh, this is this I think this is post-its. These are post-its like they are translucent, so maybe like a... Oh yes. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, it's like tracing paper. This is so beautiful. And yes, these are like post-its. This is so very nice. I love the gradation. So I think we have an autumn set here because everything is so well coordinated. I love autumn. It's my favorite season. I never saw this thing. It's so cute. Okay, what is this? I love this brand of washi tape. I love it. I can't remember the name. Is this the same one as this cloth I have here? This cloth I have here, it has been used for Hobonichi cover on cover a few years ago. And I love this. Who makes that? I forgot. It's 10 to sen? 10 to sen? I forgot. No, of course there's no label here because this is just a piece of cloth I bought with the intention of making a pen case or something. I didn't decide yet. Oh man, this is so adorable. I have same designer makes different types of washi tape, and I have something that is mustard color. I will look for that later. I love these leaves and these flowers. This is really nice. Okay, there's one more. It's Shamil Garden. Oh, I know this one. I love it. I love this washi tape. It's my favorite Shamil Garden washi tape. I love it so much. This one has autumn pattern. It's draw with watercolor. It's just one color, but because it's watercolor brush, you can see different shades of the same brown she used to draw all these things. And this is a pine. It's so beautiful. Pine nut and donguri. It's like an acorn. And some leaves and flowers. This is so adorable. This washi tape is quite expensive. Oh yeah, 525 yen plus taxes. I don't know how she makes these things on the set. I always say that, but it's really Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it. And recently I got some Chamil Garden stamps that I have them here because I have been using them. These Chamil Garden stamps are for the 10th anniversary release, and you can find them online. You can buy them online. These are so cute, and I think that will match perfect. And the other set I got of Chamil Garden is exactly, but not exactly, but look at this. I have been using them yesterday, so I have them there. Look at this. It's almost same design as this, as the washi tape. This is why I have been crazy looking for this, because Chamil Garden showed this on her Instagram, but she wasn't selling them. I had to wait a lot, like years, actually years, because she saw the ones she hand carved, and she was doing some experiments, and finally she released them. I'm so happy. This acorn is kind of like this one, and the pine nuts. Yeah, this is gonna be so nice together. Okay, sorry, I get overexcited. So these are the beautiful washi tapes this month. There's a lot of them. This is really nice. So this has bento boxes with like Japanese autumn food, the foxes in the forest, the flowers and the leaves, and the Chamil Garden one. And this is the post-it made with this beautiful paper. Let's go for the stickers now. Oh my goodness, this is double fun, you know. It's like if you get the subscription for the washi tape or just the stickers, it's really good. But if you have both, it's like they are very, very well coordinated to use together. Okay, let's see. I love the card already. Okay, let me put this away because I don't want to see everything. Combo October kit. This is so beautiful. Can you see the colors? Like everything is done like with color pencils. It's very nice. Yeah, I love this illustration. Oh, I don't wanna. That's the contents, but I don't want to see yet. So oh, there's an envelope here. Okay, let's start looking at this. Sorry, this sticker is so beautiful, and I want to reuse later, so I don't want to stick anywhere. I love the stickers she used to close the envelopes too. Okay, this is really pretty illustration. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Yeah, it goes so well together. I wish there's nothing right on here so you can use together. This is very nice. Very, very nice envelope. Oh man. I love autumn. It's really, really my favorite season. And okay. There's a set here. This comes is the envelope and the postcard. This is so beautiful, and the postcard has some glitter here. Is embossed with glitter. It's very nice. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, so excited this autumn. Like autumn in Japan is the most beautiful season because you can see lots of colors on the foliage. It's really, really nice. Okay, let's start one by one. I want to see all of them at the same time. Oh, pizza? No. Cake. These are slices of cake. Sorry, I saw this one first. I thought this pizza. No. These are cakes. Oh my god, and pies. This is so yummy. This is so yummy. I love it. This is really nice. Of course, the designer made it with watercolor. Good. It's from Mindwave. I love these stickers. It's really, really nice. Beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, I love these ones that you have the whole pie and one piece is carrot. It's really smart. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, beautiful colors. This is so nice. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, let's see. I see some flakes, but I'm gonna leave them for the end because they are my favorite. Okay, I think I got two at the same time. Yeah, okay. Wow. momiji leaves. These are like Japanese maple leaves, and in autumn they are like that. Really, it's so beautiful. Oh, okay, this is original stickers from Sticky Kit. Wow, and they are made from it's washi tape. It's washi tape. Oh, okay, I see. So if you push the paper like that, you can get the leaf easily, because the troquel is really, really nice. Wow, so detailed. Look at this. Look at the tint of the leaves. This is so well done. Wow, this is so pretty. I love the colors gradation. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna put it back here. Oh, I'm gonna use so many of this. Wow, thank you. And this, oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is from Sticky Kit too. Okay. Wow, this is original from Sticky Kit. So these stickers you can't buy in Japan unless you get the Sticky Kit set. Wow, this is really, really beautiful. Is this the same? Yes, I think it's the same illustration. Yes, it's the same bird. It's very nice, very, very nice. I love the reindeer with all the leaves here. It looks so whimsical. It's beautiful, and the baby here. This is so nice. Oh, I love these things. Actually, I have in my room also some of these things hanging. Some kind of like autumn plants that they are dry. Sorry, my room is too messy now to show. I don't know if you can see, but I show it later. This is really, really beautiful. Oh, I love it. The colors are... Yeah, I think this is made with a color pencil. The effect looks like color pencil. It's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, I love it. It's so calm, right? Okay. And what is this? Whoa! This is so cute. I love the retro design and colors. This is so adorable. Look at these tiny trees, the tiny houses. These are strips, like thin strips of... Yeah, it's washi too. This is really, really cute. I love it. Oh, this is so nice. I don't know which is the designer of this one, but this is... And the apples are so adorable. I love it. What a nice combination of colors. I never thought of this, like green, blue, and yellow. This is nice. Okay, thank you so much. And we have some... I wanna show the flakes at the end, because flakes are my favorite. Oh! Okay, these are... we have a festival in Japan. It's the Moon Festival. There's also Moon Festival in China, Taiwan, I don't know, Korea, and so some other countries in Asia, they do the Moon Festival. And in Japan, they say... This is so cute. In Japan, they say the shadows on the moon, they look like a rabbit making mochi. So these rabbits here are making mochi. This is like wood container, and the mochi is glutinous rice. It's a special type of rice that if you I can't talk anymore. If you crush that rice when after boiling, it's gonna be like very, very sticky, and it's gonna be creamy, and it's gonna be like a paste. And they make these tiny balls that is called mochi, or this is dango. When already has the shape, it's called dango. And for the Moon Festival, that's called tsukimi, we make these decorations. It's like an offer to thank the moon for the harvest, something like that. And they are dancing here with the... This is the wood stick to make the mochi. This is so cute. I love... The paper is like a washi paper, not the washi tape, washi paper. So traditional Japanese paper. It's rough. Can you hear? It's really beautiful. Really, really nice. Not so many people knows that, but we have 2 tsukimis in Japan. One in September, one in October. The September one is the last full moon of summer, and the October one is the first full moon of October, of autumn. So last full moon of summer and first full moon of autumn, if I don't make a mistake. 23rd of September was Tsukimi this year, and the one in October, I have to check. I don't know the date. Yeah, this is so pretty. And let's go for the flakes. I love flake stickers because they are, I don't know, they're so adorable, and so many come here. It's mushrooms. Mushrooms. I love this. Let me see. Oh, the colors are so beautiful. They are made with watercolor. I don't know who is the designer. I didn't saw this in the shops. Oh, this is so nice. Look at what beautiful. It's blue and purple, and the lines are made with gold. This is really, really nice. So beautiful. Oh, this is like the plant I have drying there. Oh my god. This is really, really nice. I love them. What pretty colors. Wow. This is really beautiful. Acorns. There are acorns too. There's so many different designs. This is why I love flakes. But you have to be careful. Sometimes they stick to each other. Okay, no problem. This is so cute. This is very, very, very nice. I don't know how she can get to put so many types on the sets. Oh, this is so adorable. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's review the stickers. We have the pies, not pizzas, pies. We have the Tsukimi, the Moon Festival stickers. And then we have these tiny stripes, thin stripes of washi tape with houses, trees, birds, apples. This is so cute. This is the postcard. It also comes with envelope and postcard inside. I think I'm gonna keep this. So nice. And 2 exclusive designs from Sticky Kit. The beautiful deers and autumn foliage, and the maple, Japanese maple leaves. So beautiful. Oh my god. And also the flakes we have here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope for the next video my phone is repaired. Hi, thank you. Bye bye.